guys, today as promised I am going to share with you one of my Korean healthy-ish snack idea slash recipe. So this snack is actually one of my favorite kind of snacks in Korea. So I first came in contact with this amazing food when I was back in New Zealand at this bakery, and it is the tofu crackers. They are so yum, so 고소해. I don't know what that means. I don't know how to say that in English, but it kind of means like very savory and nutty. Just so yummy. And I try to be a little healthier than the original recipe because you're supposed to fry it in oil. But instead of that, I'm gonna use oven. So let me show you how I make it right now.
First of all, you will need to transfer your tofu to the tofu/cheesecloth. We do this in order to squeeze out that excess moisture and water. Then to the bowl, you add the flour. I sifted them beforehand because you don't want any lumps of flour in your crackers or cookies. Then add your baking powder, followed by salt. A little bit for the taste, and then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is the unhealthy part. And add your vegetable oil. Any kind of oil really works. Crack in 1 egg and mix. I used a whisk and it wasn't really working, so I switched over to a wooden spoon. And now you add your black sesame seeds. These are where the flavorings and the look comes from, so do not skip this stage, please. And if you need more flour, please do add more. It should be firm enough to be able to be rolled out. I added more flour as well, by the way. It really just depends on how much water you squeeze out when you're squeezing out the water from the tofu. Once rolled out, get yourself some pretty cute cookie cutters and start shaping them. Line your baking sheet with baking paper and place those cookies nicely. And bake them at a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. You'll be able to tell when they're done because they look nice and brown and crispy.
So the recipe that I shared with you guys makes quite a few of it because I already ate like half of these already. And also, you know, I made this little packaging thing to it. So yeah, it makes quite a bit. I hope you guys give these a try. This is just like, I don't know, it's just yummy. You need to try it. You don't know what it tastes like unless you try it, and it's fun to make anyway. It's like making Asian cookies. Thank you so much for watching another video of mine, and I will be back with another content very soon. Bye!